Instances and collision. Our character must shoot when we click with the mouse, but let's first create an image of the bullet. Create a new sprite and press Edit Image. Try to draw an image of a bullet. It must be facing right towards 0 degrees. That will make it easy for us to set the direction later. When done, you can trim the image to remove the unnecessary margin. Remember to set the origin to around the middle. Now create a new object for the bullet and assign it to our new sprite. Make a new create event. A create event only occurs once exactly when the bullet is created. This is preferred here to prevent the bullet from changing direction after it has been fired. In the event, we must set the image angle equal to our character's angle. Do that by writing image angle equal oCharacter.image angle. This means we copy image angle of the character at the time the bullet is created. We must also set direction to the same as image angle. Image angle just means the way the image is turned, and direction is the actual angle it moves towards. At last, we set the speed of the bullet, for example 30. You can adjust this as you see fit. To actually create our bullet object, we must find a proper event for it. Let's go to our character's object and add a new event for the mouse. Here are a lot of options. The first ones on the list are only triggered when the mouse is clicking on the bullet object. We cannot use that as this event must occur regardless of where the mouse is. Therefore it is global. Let's choose global left pressed. Then the event only happens once for every left click. To create a new bullet, we must use the GameMaker function instance create layer. It creates a new bullet from our object. You call this an instance. You can have multiple instances of the same object, like we have many walls in our room. In the code editor, we can see the function requires 4 inputs. The first two are the x and y coordinate of the starting position. Let's use our characters x and y. The third input is the name of the layer our instance will be created at. By looking in our room, we can see 2 layers, instances and background. Therefore, we write instances with quotes around. The reason we're using quotes will be explained later. Last input is the object to create an instance from. Use the name of the object. Finally, let's see how it works. We need to delete the bullets when we're done using them. Otherwise, we may end up with tons of instances that will make the game lag. For example, we want to delete the bullet when it goes outside the room. In your bullet object, add an other outside room event. Use the function instance destroy. That will completely delete the instance from the game. We also want the bullet to stop when hitting a wall. Here we can use the collision event with our wall object. This occurs after the bullet hits the wall. Like previously, we want to completely delete the instance with instance destroy. Now our character can finally shoot. Remember to adjust the speed and bullet to make it look and feel good. In the next lesson, we'll look at how we can prevent the character from walking through the walls.